create collages really simply for the pages on the yearbook. So this is where the team picture is, this is where the seniors are, blah, blah, blah. Then this is usually dedicated to a whole huge collage of things. So varsity field hockey, if we actually go to You, Organize, Albums and Collections, and then we find field hockey, so girls varsity field hockey. This is the album. I can arrange randomly, and that's the order that I want. I'm going to hit save. After you do that, now you can go back to your photo stream and albums, find the varsity field hockey, and this should randomize the pictures. Now, what we're going to do is, this is already a collage. I'm going to hit Command -sign to make this pretty small and have something that I can screenshot. So if you hover over and take the screenshot, you're going to see like the NHS blah, blah, blah. Put your mouse over to the side. Command Shift and 4. That's hold the Command Shift and 4 keys, and you'll be able to take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this and cut off that last row because I can't see all the pictures. And now I have this picture right here. It's going to save in your desktop or your downloads folder. I'm going to come back over here, go to My Photos, Sources, My Computer, and this was saved on the desktop. Now, if it is a JPEG image like this, it won't be able to bring in. So what I have to do is I actually have to go to Finder, find the picture that I just took. In this case, it's right here. Double click it, open in preview, export, and save it as a JPEG. I'm going to put girls varsity field hockey. I'm going to upload the wrong one. Best possible quality. And now that just saved to my downloads. So now that PNG is going to be a JPEG that I can bring in. No, keep them private. Hit done. Go to all my photos, and then I can bring this in. Once you do that, then you can readjust, and now you have a nice big collage that we didn't have to put every single picture individually into.